If you could delegate a task to another person, there's a good chance AI can probably help you with it too. The first mindset shift is to think of AI as your new intern. It's eager to help, fast, and surprisingly capable, but it still needs clear instructions and supervision. It can't read your mind. AI is especially strong at things like generating content and answering questions. Where it tends to struggle is with edge cases, ambiguity, and situations where judgment or missing context matters. So the key is learning how to give good instructions. Think of it less like coding and more like communication. The better you brief the AI, the better your results will be. A strong prompt usually includes a few things. First, provide context. Give the background information it needs so it doesn't have to guess. Second, use positive commands. Tell the AI what you want it to do instead of only telling it what to avoid. Third, link ideas together clearly. Help it understand how your thoughts connect so it can follow your reasoning. And finally, give examples. If you show the output format or style you want, AI learns very quickly from that template. Once you understand that, you can start putting AI to work on repetitive tasks. For example, imagine a team Slack channel where people keep asking the same "how do I do this?" questions over and over again. That kind of repeated question is a great opportunity for AI. One option is an AI knowledge base like a GEM, which is basically a pre-configured AI assistant that can answer questions using your own documents. Another option is an AI workflow tool like N8N, where you automate a sequence of steps. For example, it could find a lead on LinkedIn and draft a personalized outreach email. The big idea is simple: start with repeatable work, give AI clear instructions, and treat it like a capable assistant that improves when you communicate well.